Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to factory reset your LG Stylo 6 from any service providers. This particular model was with Metro PCS. Keep in mind, Metro or Boost Mobile are slightly different in the reset steps. I will walk you through each one in this video. Now, if you forgot your passcode on the phone and you're trying to turn it off, it's not going to let you unless you do the press in the password or the pattern. I'm going to show you the first step on how to force shut off the device. And to shut it off is you want to hold the power key on the side and the volume down key for about 5 seconds. So you want to keep holding these two buttons until you see a message on the bottom screen and it says press and hold to power off the device. Once that is completely done, now with this particular model we're gonna be using the power and the volume down key, but with a boost you want to use the opposite. So with this one's gonna be the power and the volume down key. With Boost Mobile it's going to be the volume up key and the power. So we'll go ahead and press these two buttons to force the device to shut off, and you want to keep holding the two buttons at the same time. Once the device is forced to shut off and it comes back on, release the power and press it again. Then it will take you to the recovery screen. Here you want to use the volume down key to the yes option, then you want to press the power. Same thing here, scroll down to yes, then press the power key again. Then the device will restart and it will start erasing everything on the device. Once that is completed, your phone is completely erased and good to go. If you found this video helpful to you, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel for more, and thank you guys for watching.